I'm Wayne, and welcome to TW Blaze Outdoors. Today I will be showing you my spare tire swing out that I put together. Give you a little bird's eye view. I actually built it with a Rally Tech swing away. Nope, it's actually a Yakima swing away. The Rally Tech was just a sticker that I have for my springs. And you can see my setup and what I got going on. So I'm gonna swing this out and show you how simple it is. Reach in here, pull this, push. Goes out, push it out, locks right there. Voila, have all this space. Just to show you how I built this, I bought this swing away. I had this idea. It's called the Yakima Backswing. And when I put it on, it fit perfectly into my hitch. But the mount itself, this piece right here, was almost the same level as my hitch. And I know I've hit my hitch enough, I didn't want to ruin that. And so I decided I wanted to extend it out a little bit. Not only extend it, but I wanted to bring it up. And so I put this 7-inch riser extension on. I actually drilled that out, the extension piece, and then ran a nut on top of, and ran it, drilled and tapped it. And that's like drilled and tapped right through the extension. Then I put a nut on it, so that's pretty tight. And then I actually put a Rhino anti-rattle on it, and then I put an Rhino anti-rattle on this, the extension piece for my swing away, and it just secured everything. I went with the Rhino because if you can see, that's a 7/16 inch U-bolt, where I bought another one which was 5/16, and I could bend them trying to get them tight. And then of course the next piece on that, on the swing, the backswing, was to put the Curt spare tire carrier on. And I'm going to put this back. I'm going to try to make this work a little bit. Pull it back. Just click that. This clicks in. And then for me, just making sure that you get this underneath there as I try to film it and do this all at the same time. But then it's all locked in. I took this to a spare tire carrier guy, and he couldn't believe how solid I have this mounted with everything. And as you can see, I'm trying to wiggle it. There's no movement at all. My car's moving, and my hitch actually is moving. And then of course I mounted the spare tire on it. It's got some lockdowns, some anti-rattle bolts, so it works really nice. I got some locks on it. And then I put a Thule spare tire mount rack on the spare tire, and I've mounted my Marin Mountain Ridge carbon fiber bike to it. This worked out perfectly. I had to do a little modification to make sure it fits, but I got this thing on tight. Pedal sticks in here. This thing does not move at all, and I got plenty of clearance when we come out of those holes that we usually get into. And again, I have 12 inches of clearance to my hitch, and I have 10 inches on my back skid plate, which with the lift kit I put on is as much as I can get. I had 11 and 10 3/4 without anything on it, and I put the rooftop tent, and I put the spare tire carrier, which this all together with bike, 160 pounds. So that's what I have on that, 160 pounds worth of back end and 140 on the tent, and it took my car down only to 10 inches on the front and 10 inches on the back. That's what I have for clearance right now. I still got the 12 on the the hitch. So very pleased with what I did here. If you need any more information, let me know.